In continuation to my earlier videos on good mutual funds to invest in, like Quant Mid Cap Fund and Nippon Small Cap Fund, another top mutual fund that I would recommend for investing is ICICI Prudential Infrastructure Fund. But before I tell you the details about this fund, hi, I am Pratap Narula, investment consultant and educator, and if you like my video, please put in your likes and subscribe to my channel. Also, ring that bell to get all future notifications from this channel and put in your feedbacks and comments. Further, put in your questions in the comment box and I shall get back to you on the same. ICICI Prudential Infrastructure Fund falls under the category of thematic mutual funds. So let's first look at what exactly are thematic funds. These are open-ended equity funds that invest in stocks of companies that are aligned to a predetermined theme. These funds have an advantage that even while focusing on a particular theme, they can provide diversification to your portfolio. For example, infrastructure funds invest in power, telecom, construction, urban development, transport, and others. These investments can fetch high returns if the investors get the right theme at the right time. Otherwise, they are a risky venture. Currently, and for the years to come, infrastructure is one of the best areas for thematic investments. Such funds are not only suitable for high risk tolerant investors, but also for seasoned investors who are experienced enough to understand the market cycles and if exposure to specific ideas will offer optimum returns. These funds often have a long-term focus which can help to smooth out market volatility and provide stability to an investment portfolio. It is advisable for medium to long-term investment of 5 to 7 years at least. However, it is equally important to monitor the market closely to know the timely entry and exit to make the most out of a limited profitable life cycle before incurring losses. Next, we look at ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund, which is a leading asset management company focused on bridging the gap between savings and investments and creating long-term wealth for investors through a range of simple and relevant investment solutions. This AMC is a joint venture founded in 1993 between ICICI Bank, a very well-known name in Indian banking, and Prudential PLC, one of UK's largest players in the financial services sector. This joint venture has emerged as one of the top performing fund houses in the Indian mutual fund industry. As of 30th April 23, ICICI Prudential offers its customers 252 mutual fund schemes, out of which 54 are equity schemes, 14 are hybrid schemes, 153 are debt schemes, and 31 are in the others category. The objective of this scheme is to generate capital appreciation and income distribution to unit holders by investing predominantly in equity or equity related securities of the companies belonging to the infrastructure theme. This fund has been awarded a 5-star rating and is at the top position among all sectoral and thematic funds rated by the top analytics and research organizations like ET Money, Value Research, and Economic Times. ICICI Infrastructure has been the top performer in the last 1 year and has achieved a cumulative growth of over 44% in the last 3 years. The current AUM of this fund is Rs 2,361 crores. There is no entry or exit load on this fund. However, if the investment is redeemed within 15 days, then there is an exit load of 1%. Also, the expense ratio is 2.14%, which is slightly less than what other funds are charging. To look at some more factual data, the inception date of this fund was 31st August 2005 with a starting NAV of Rs 10. The NAV as of 5th May 23 is Rs 105.79. The absolute growth since inception has been 958%. This fund grew at a steady pace till 2019, and even during this time, the results were better than the category average. And since 2020, this fund has given amazing results. It has delivered one of the best CAGR or annualized returns of more than 44%. In absolute terms, it has delivered a total of 203% over the last 3 years. Also, it has topped almost all funds in the peer category and has given a very consistent performance over the years. a fund you would definitely like to have in your portfolio. To quickly summarize the facts, ICICI Prudential Infrastructure Fund's performance ability to deliver returns consistently is excellent and is probably the best in its category. Its ability to control losses or downside protection in a falling market is high when compared to its peers. The total AUM of the scheme has grown at an amazingly fast pace in the last 3 years, that is from 958 crores in 2020 to rupees 2361 crores in 2023, a growth of almost 150%. It has consistently delivered higher returns than the category average for the past 1 year, 3 year, 5 year and 10 years. ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund is currently among the top 3 performing AMCs in India, which manages a total AUM of rupees 5.4 lakh crores. This fund has an expense ratio of 2.14%, which is also lower than what most other infrastructure funds charge. This is another positive of this fund. Also, please note that all the facts and figures quoted in this video relate to the growth option of ICICI Prudential Infrastructure Fund. Finally, I would say that ICICI Prudential Infrastructure Fund is among the top mutual funds in the sectoral and thematic funds category, and considering the risk factor of this category, a very good investment. Thank you for watching this video. Please put in your suggestions and feedbacks, and once again, I would request you to like this video and to subscribe to my channel.